Known violence producer found deceased in Nain St Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. Police are probing the death of a man whose body was found with gunshot wounds to the head in Nain St Elizabeth on Tuesday morning. His identity has not yet been released. Superintendent Dwight Daly, head of the St Elizabeth Police, told reporters that the man was a known violence producer in the area. Preliminary reports suggest that the man was found about 100 feet from the main road in Nain St Elizabeth with what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds to the head. The police investigation continues. This has been Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll have a follow-up story to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.